No laser radiation. When working on a CO2 laser machine, you may encounter the problem of no laser radiation. Let us take a closer look at this problem by investigating and eliminating the cause of this error. Hello, this is Wattsan Technical. Here you can find useful and helpful information on repairing, adjusting, operating Wattsan equipment, and troubleshooting any problems that may arise during use. The first step is to turn the machine on properly. If there is no laser radiation, let's look at the possible reasons. 1. The key has not been turned. 2. The high voltage unit power button is off. 3. No voltage in the socket. 4. Check the fuses at the power supply wiring point. 5. Loose or badly wired connection to the high voltage unit or to the controller. 6. No jumper on the high voltage unit. 7. The potentiometer failed or burnt out. No reaction when turning the potentiometer knob. 8. Broken negative or positive wire on the laser tube or connection wire on the high voltage unit. 9. The high voltage unit or the laser tube is out of order. Still, a faint, barely visible beam in the tube can be observed. With a high voltage unit control plug disconnected, the test button does not light the tube and does not give a pulse. 10. The laser tube is not switched on in the software. Double-click on Layer. Check the checkbox for On/Off of the first laser tube. 11. The power is not enough to light up the laser tube. The potentiometer is turned down or the power is too low in the software. Great! Now everything is working properly. You can always contact our specialists and they will be glad to solve any problem you may encounter when working on Wattsan machines. We always take care of our customers. We hope this video was useful to you. Subscribe and give it a thumbs up so you do not miss a new video. See you soon!